Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting scratch program for you. Since we are using the pen extension, so there are a lot of things to draw on scratch. Here is a very complex pattern that we are drawing in this video. I have already made a simple video how to make a circle, triangle, square, simple shapes on scratch. So you can go and see those videos if you are a beginner. If you know much about pen tool, then you can start with this video. Okay, so first I will make my screen big and I will show you the output of the program. Watch this. Look at this beautiful pattern that's, that is being drawn by the sprite. Okay, so if you want a pattern like that, you must follow the video from the beginning. Okay, so we can draw this by using the pen extension, but before that, you have to add it from the down button. Look at this button at the left bottom side of your application, add extension. You must click it, and if you haven't added the pen extension, so please click on this second one. This will help you to draw things using the sprites. Now I'm going to delete all of my program and let's start. Okay, I will delete the sprite. Let me quickly erase this. So I will be using erase all command or block in order to erase everything on my canvas. Now we will go first choose a sprite. You can choose any of your favorite sprite. I'm using the simple cat here and I will put it in the center. Next, let's start the script of the program. Like always, we have to go to events and then we have to use the green flag button. Then you have to go to the pen tool here and first thing is erase all. This block will help everything to erase. It will erase anything that is already been drawn in your canvas. Next is your pen down button. This block will help your pen to get ready for drawing. Now what to draw? For a pattern, I will go to control and I will be needing two repeat blocks. The first repeat block must be repeated for 12 iterations. So I'm going to change 10 into 12. Another repeat block I will be placing inside and this must be repeated 5 times. Now let's write the code inside the repeat blocks. So the first thing is go to motion, use the move 10 step block and instead of 10 make it 90. Once you are done, then you have to use this turn 15 degrees and instead of 15 make it 72. This is how this pattern will be drawn. Next I need a weight block so that we can see slowly how this pattern is being drawn. 0.1 will be fine. Now the last block, go to motion again, use turn 15 degrees, but this time place this block outside of your inner repeat block. So you can see that I'm placing it outside of this repeat block, but it will be inside the outer repeat block that will repeat for 12 iterations. So this is the last thing is you have to change this 15 into 30. So that's it for the pattern that I just showed you. Now we can open the screen, make it bigger from this button, full screen control. Then you can use the green flag and you can start watching your output. Look at this, how easy and how simple it is. But it draws a nice complex kind of design on your canvas with using just simple blocks. And I hope you like the video. We will be making more complex shapes later on. For that, stay tuned, stay connected and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.